Hey, what's up you guys? Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an open/close GUI. So first, just insert a screen GUI inside of the starter GUI, name it open/close. Okay, there. And then add a frame, make it as big as you want. I'm just going to make it this big. I'm going to roundify it. I'll put the link in the description to this plugin. So yeah, we have the frame right now. And let's just add like a text label. And the text will be like, "Hi, welcome to jailbreak," or something like that. Text scale. You can just do that. Change the color to whatever you want. And by changing the frame color, and if you roundify it, but if you didn't roundify it, then change the background color to something else. But if you did roundify it, then change the image color to something else. So that's all it work. I'm going to change it to red. Make this transparency 1. Wait. There. Alright, so now that we have our frame, inside the GUI, we can add a text button, like here. Oh yeah, and also make the frame invisible. There. So on the text button, name it open, and name the frame GUI or something like that. And then the text will be menu or something. Let's just decorate it. I'm gonna make it red. There, so now that we have our menu button, insert a local script inside of the open GUI, and then name it open script, and then type in script.parent.mouse button 1 click connect function uline script.parent.parent .GUI. You don't have to put GUI. Name it what you name your frame. .GUI .visible equals not script.parent.parent.GUI .visible. There, this should be the script. Now we can just test the game. And when you click on the menu button, this should appear. And when you click on it again, it disappears. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to click like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, goodbye.